everybody. I'm on the freeway headed to Willow Lake. So, something about Willow Lake, I hear it's very low right now. It's a very small lake. We passed it on the way to Lost Creek Lake. So it's about an hour. And it's not a low elevation lake, so I don't expect the water to be warm at all. I probably expect it to be maybe 40 degrees in the water. I'm hoping with my new Hydrowave I could wake up some bass and catch some. So we are going to continue to fish for bass and hopefully be able to catch some today. Hopefully the road's open, because 24 hours ago it snowed, and so we had a very cold night too. So but I have a 4x4 and I got new tires, so we should be good. We're going to be working Ned Rigs and worms, soft plastics today for the most part. We might try some lipless cranks, because with the Hydrowave it might get them excited enough to come up off the bottom. I don't know. We'll keep an eye on the fishfinder and see what the Hydrowave does for us today. Today's the first day using the Hydrowave, so it'll be interesting to see if it becomes the alarm clock. So in cold water fishing, for a warm water fish, this will be quite a test for it. What's my expectations? I always expect to catch some, always. And I want to get on the board. This month is a tournament for our local bass club, and I haven't logged one fish yet. In order to take the lead, I'm going to need about an 18-inch bass. So that's a good sized bass, maybe 3 or 4 pounder. It's a good sized bass. It's not unrealistic though. But it's a cold day. It's 34 degrees right now at Klamath Falls, where I'm at right now. It'll be a little cooler where I'm going. I only expect ambient temperature today of a high of 50 degrees where I'm going, which is good. I mean, when you're used to 30s and 40s, 50 is great. It's all relative, But anyway, you can see this is my freeway 140. You can see the snow up on the mountains here. That's from yesterday. We had a lot more snow than this. It was all white yesterday. Then it warmed up and then melted off. So, not bad. Looks good, actually. So, people probably think I'm crazy. I am doing this solo trip today. But I am on prednisone, so my lungs are feeling a little bit better. There's the lake. There it is. Well, it's bigger than I thought. It's got more water than I thought. Private until I get to the boat ramp, though. Should be over there in the corner. Sure is pretty. Alright, here's the boat ramp. Really nice. Nice turnaround, good parking, got bathrooms right over here. So, very nice looking. $4, cost $4. Honor system. Water looks pretty good. Looks like about 3 feet clarity. It's a little murky. Got some good spots. Well, let's see what happens. Went back to the Ned Rig. Trying the passive sound on the Hydrowave now. Gotten bites, just haven't pulled anything in. Probably something small hitting it. Add, oh, lipless crick. By the way, Crixus casts a mile. Thumbless too. Once you... Okay, I'm almost done for the day. It is 6 o'clock. It's a good thing though. Daylight savings time is really 5 o'clock. So I got more fishing time. A little more fishing time. Okay, with a bandito bug on a weedless jig. So that's what we're going with.